Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. In this video, I'll show how you can customize a theme in Shopify. So first of all, just log into your Shopify store. After logging in, click on online stores. In online stores, click on themes. Internet connection is slow here, so it's taking some time. Okay, now click on customize. So here you will get all the options to customize your themes. If I click on header, so it will take me to the header of the page. The header of the page contains this logo here. This area is the header of the page. So if you want to change the header of the page, you can click here on change. You can click a different image as a header of the page. In this case, the header of the page contains a logo. For example, I want to change my header to this image here. Then click on the image and click select. If you want different image, then click on upload. By uploading, so by clicking on upload, you can select any picture of your own choice. For example, this pic here. Click open. So this picture is now open here, and click select. Now your logo has changed here. You can adjust its width. So I'll give a width of 200. So you can see width has increased. So in this way you can customize the header of your Shopify theme. So after changing the logo, click on save. So the header has changed here. So go back from here. Now if we see our theme here, we can see there is a header, then there is a sidebar. This is a sidebar which contains menus. The sidebar contains menus here. So to change these menus, click on sidebar. So there are two options, change and remove. If I click on remove, the sidebar will be removed. If I click on change, then I will be able to add a different sidebar here. So click on change here. After clicking change, it's giving me options for different menus. I have footer menu, main menu, sports menu, store menu. These are all the menus which I have already created here. But if you want a new menu, then go to create menu. So first of all, give here the title for your menu. This title is the identification of your menu, but it will be not it will not appear on your Shopify store. It is just to identify your menu. For example, I call it new menu. After giving the title, you will have to add the menus. In the previous menu, I had 3 menu items. You will have to add menu items, and in the previous menu I had 3 items, which were tennis, soccer and baseball. So I will create here a item. I can call it item 1, and I will give it a link. The link is for redirecting us to some area. For example, when I click on item 1, I want to go to this collection, the collection with the name of tennis. Click here, then click add. This link area is to navigate you to that particular place. That can be product, collection or something else. So click on add to add the menu item. You can add multiple menu items. Click on add menu item again. For example, this time I said item 2. Click on and also give it a link. For example, I give it a link of soccer collection. Click add. So similarly you can add as many menu items as you want. So click on save menu. So new menu has been created. The new menu has created here. So now again go to themes. Click on customize. So we were in the sidebar, so because all the menus are here in the sidebar, click on the sidebar and click on change to change the sidebar menu. So we have our new menu here. This is our new menu with the name new underscore menu. So click on this and you can see the menu on the sidebar has changed here. So click select here. It is selected and click save to save the new menu. So it has saved. Now again go back here. You can see after sidebar we have a slideshow here, and in slideshow you can see there are 3 dots, which means we have 3 pictures. So in slideshow you can also add as many pictures as you want. So in order to add a new picture here, click on add slide. So if you want to add a picture here, background picture, click on select image and you can upload an image from here. For example, this tennis image. Click on select and you can see this image is appearing on this slideshow. If you want to remove this button from the top of image, button label, go to button label and remove the text from here, and it has disappeared. Now what we want, if a user clicks on this image, then he should be able to navigate to somewhere. So we have an option for a link. We can give a link here to navigate the user. For example, when a user clicks here, I want to redirect him or her to all the collections in my store. So I have selected all the collection and now click on save. So it has saved. Now in order to show you, I'll click on this image here and you can see it has taken me to the all collections page. So in this way you can navigate through your store by giving link to the images in your store. Now again go back to the place where we were customizing our theme. So there was a slideshow here with different options, and then after slideshow we have a rich text. This area here, all this area, this is text area, rich text. It has a heading. This part is called the heading here. So if you want to highlight something about your store, you can give it in a heading here, and then there is a paragraph for description. So you can use text in order to highlight some points about your store. So there are options for the size of the text: small, medium, large. You can choose any option from these three options. For example, I will choose here large. So this is appearing as the large text. Then click on save. Okay, again go back to theme customization. So one thing you can notice here that the order in which the things are placed here is the same in which things are placed here. For example, at the beginning there is a logo or header. In the beginning we have a header here also. Then there is a sidebar. Here the sidebar is appearing here. After the sidebar there is a slideshow. So there is a slideshow. Then rich text is here, and if I scroll down I can see rich text is here. Then there is a featured collection. So I can see featured collection. So everything on this right side and on this left side is in the same order. If you want to change the order of things, you can simply click on that particular thing and drag it. For example, I want this slideshow to appear after the text, so I will just select it and drag it down. Very simple. So this slideshow is appearing after the text here. So you can also change the order by just clicking on that particular section and click drag, and it will be changed. Then we have an option for featured collection. We can make any collection as featured collection by going to this area. If you want some other products or collections to be featured collection, then click on change here, and you can select any collection to be your featured collection from here. Okay, again go back, go to themes, customize, okay, again customize, then after feature collection we can see there is an image with text. So what is this? So click on it. So we can see here there is an image, then there is a text, and then there is a button which is saying click me to go to baseball collection. Let's click here. So it has taken me to the baseball collection. So if I click on the logo, it will again take me back to the main page. So it's main page. So what this section contains, it contains an image with a text and with a button. So on the button we have given a link. The same way we have given link on other sections. Okay, go back from here. Now if you want another section, for example you want another image with a text, then click on add section. So on add section you have multiple options. You can create blog post, you can create collection list, you can create featured collection. As we have seen earlier that we have a featured collection in our page. Then we can create image with text. This is here we have image with a text. Then we can also create slideshow. You have multiple options to create from here. For example, I click on image with text, then click on add. This is how you add a new section or new area. For example, this area contains an image with a text, so you can select an image from here. Let's say I choose this image, select the image. Okay, here is an image with the text. You can align the image to anywhere, to left or right of the page here. Again, there is a heading for image. This is the heading of the image, right from image with text. You can change the heading from here, and you can also change the description. This is the description about this particular image. Then there is a button label. Now we can't see any button here, but if I write something here, then button will be shown here. For example, I say button. Okay, it hasn't appeared here. Okay, then you can give that button a link. For example, I'm giving it a link of a product, for example this football. Okay, I wrote here button, and this button is appear here. You can give it any name, for example football, then click on save. So this is how you add a new area or a new section in your theme. So similarly, you can add multiple sections from here. For example, featured collection, image with text, slideshow, anything from this particular list. Okay, again go back. So this is how you customize your theme in Shopify. It was very simple. So at last we can see there is a footer section here. So click on it, and in footer section we only have this copyright, but you can add content in your footer section. You can add menu, text, newsletter, sign up. You can create a new menu, and it will be shown here in this section, because we are dealing with the footer section. Now this is our footer section. Currently this area, all this area is for footer section. You can add your content for the footer section. So in this video we have seen how we can customize our theme in our Shopify store. So this is all for this particular video. I'll come back with some new information and knowledge about Shopify store in my next video. Thank you for listening.